Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to record screen on iPhone 12 Pro. If you are using iPhone 12 Pro, 12 or any model of your iPhones, and now if you want to record screen, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to scroll down your control panel, so just scroll it down, and here you have to add the screen recording feature. So here's a plus icon, just tap on it and then tap on add a control. After doing this interface will show. You just have to look for screen recording. Here's that. If you won't find a chair, so you can find it by searching. I have found a chair, so just tap on it. And then here you can see this icon has been added here. Now tap on an empty place, and after doing this you just have to give a long press on it and then tap on start recording, and here you can see the phone recording has been started. It's recording my screen. Now if you want to stop the screen recording, so just tap on this icon, and here you just have to tap on stop icon to stop screen recording. And now you can easily record the screen on any of your iPhone. For this, when you will be ready, you just have to scroll down your control panel and there tap on this, and after doing this it will automatically record your screen on your iPhone. And after doing this, when you have completed your recording, so just tap on this and then tap on this icon to stop your screen recording. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.